Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will learn about Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX bike. The price of the BS6 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX was hiked recently by 10,000 rupees. It now costs Rs 10,89,000. In addition to the price hike, the brand has introduced a new green color variant. The bike was launched in May at Rs 10,79,000, ex-showroom India, a premium of 50,000 rupees over the BS4 model. The updated motorcycle gets minor revisions to the bodywork and a color TFT screen. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 is the Japanese brand's leader-class sports tourer. It features a fully faired bodywork akin to a supersport motorcycle. However, the ergonomics are comfortable enough for both city riding and relaxed touring. For optimum control, the motorcycle gets electronic rider aids such as full/low power mode, a 3-mode traction control system, for riding modes with electronic cruise control and ride-by-wire, and cornering ABS. Suspension duties are handled by 41mm inverted forks at the front and horizontal backlink monoshock at the rear, both fully adjustable. Dual 300mm pedal discs with monoblock calipers and a 250mm rear pedal disc bring this 239 kg curb behemoth to a halt. For optimum grip, this bike rides on Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S22 tires. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 competes against the upcoming BS6 compliant Ducati Supersport. Design and features. If you observe closely the Kawasaki Ninja 1000, you would come to know that it is a full-fared version of its naked Street Fighter counterpart, the Z1000, which it is, as it shares many design cues and body parts with the Z1000. This means that there is no shortage of aggressive design cues and style quotient. Although not fully, it retains many of the styling traits the Z1000 is famous for. The bike looks purposely sharp, and even at standstill, it looks like to be in motion due to its forward aerodynamic design. This bike may not seem as futuristic and unconventionally styled as the Z1000, but still it looks like the bike from the present times and seems modern in every bit. From the front, that out-of-the-world headlamp unit of Z1000 is replaced by a full, beefy fairing which houses twin angular headlights with incorporated pilot lamps placed in the front cowl. The fairing is dynamically designed with a steep angle to allow those extra advantages of aerodynamics. Above the front headlamp units, a big and large transparent front screen is mounted to avoid wind blasts at towering speeds, which is one of the biggest troubles faced by the Z1000. There are smartly designed sharp rear-view mirrors which are mounted on the front fairing, but unlike the ZX-10R, don't come incorporated with turn signals. Although the clear lens indicator units have found their position at the top front of the engine fender, which look nice and premium. The front fender and that gorgeously designed muscular fuel tank have been carried out straight away from the Z1000, with the only difference being that is the dual-colored side fairing and front fender is a bit larger and extended right along its front suspension forks. The side profile of the motorcycle is further enhanced by the 6-spoke alloy wheels, though the green striping on wheels as found in other Kawasaki superbikes would have been welcomed. The engine bay and alloy wheels have been given matte black treatment which looks sporty. The exhaust pipes on this motorcycle is a straight lift from the Z1000, which means that the good-looking and distinctive dual-sided quad-shaped twin exhaust pipes find their way to duty here as well. The rear of the motorcycle looks very sporty, accentuated by an octagonal angular LED tail lamp integrated nicely in the rear cowl and clear lens indicators mounted on rear fender. Here, the turn indicators are small and quirkily designed and don't flourish with the overall sharp design of the motorcycle, and could have been nicely styled. The big and chunky rear tire amplifies the muscle of the bike. Unlike the ZX-10R, here, the pillion comfort too is taken care of as the alloy split grab rails have found their placement here, along with split seats which are wide and accommodating, assuring its touring credentials. Kawasaki has played safe with the instrument console on this bike, which features a simple layout, albeit being modern and futuristic and giving all the necessary information. This is a part analog, part digital layout and comes with an analog tachometer having an illuminated white needle for the rev counter, with the red line set up at 11,000 RPM. Accompanying it is an LCD panel which displays digital speedometer, odometer, 2 trip meters and a fuel gauge. The basic telltale lights are nestled above the LCD screen. To sum up, the Ninja 1000 is extremely good-looking motorcycle, which the full-fared bike lovers will definitely like. Not being too extremely sporty and aggressive as compared to ZX-10R, the Ninja 1000 still comes with all the necessary and good-looking styling bits without compromising on the functionality. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX specifications. Mileage 17 kmpl. Displacement 1043 cubic centimeters. Engine type liquid-cooled, 4-stroke inline 4. No of cylinders 4. Max power 142 PS at 10,000 rpm. Max torque 111 Nm at 8,000 rpm. Front brake double disc. Rear brake disc. Fuel capacity 19 liters. Body type superbikes, sports tourer bikes. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX features. ABS dual channel. Mobile connectivity Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Riding modes rain, road, sports. Traction control. Cruise control. Power modes. Quick shifter. Tail light LED. Speedometer digital. Odometer digital. Thank you.